myself Lakshmi. Today I am here at Chefle Home and Kitchen to experience their Tri-Ply Cookware for the very first time. So I'm a very big fan of dum biryani. Today I'm going to prepare dum biryani in their Tri-Ply Cookware. So Mr. Isaac is here to enlighten us about this product.
Yeah.
Please.
Lakshmi, welcome to the kitchen.
Thank you.
For the dum biryani, I must say Tri-Ply is the best cookware to choose.
But why?
Tri-Ply spread heat evenly through its surface. So you get a perfectly cooked dum biryani without any burn spots.
Okay.
This is our 28 centimeter 8 liter sauce pot, in which you can cook up to 2 kilo chicken and 1 kilo rice.
Okay.
We have all our ingredients here.
Okay.
You can start cooking now. Lakshmi, before you pour oil, we have to preheat the pot for a minute.
Oh, but why?
Why? Because it will enhance the non-stick property of the pot much better.
Okay.
So Lakshmi, how was your experience with Tri-Ply Cookware?
Yes. I really enjoyed it. Thoroughly enjoyed cooking in Tri-Ply Cookware, and there is no burns, and we took less than half an hour, and that too in high flame.
Yeah, so that is a real advantage of Tri-Ply Cookware.
Yes.
Do you suggest Tri-Ply to others?
Definitely. I really enjoyed cooking in this.
Okay.
So I strongly suggest this Tri-Ply Cookware. Please try. So again, how do we buy this?
You can buy this from Amazon or also from our website. The link is given below. Please try it. Let me know your feedbacks.